Hello everyone, welcome to ZA Tutor Academy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail step by step using Photoshop. If you want to improve your thumbnail editing skills and make eye-catching designs, follow along carefully. Step 1. Creating the background first. Let's start by creating our background. Go to File, click on Place Embedded, and select your background image. Adjust and resize it properly according to your canvas. Follow my adjustments carefully. Again, go to File, Arrow Place Embedded, and add your texture image. Now we will add texture to make the background more attractive. Move the texture layer below the background layer. Click on the background layer, go to Blend Mode, and choose Multiply. Now reduce the fill slightly to blend the texture naturally into the background. That's it for the background setup. Step 2. Editing the first subject image. Now let's edit our first subject image. First, remove the background using the Object Selection tool. After removing the background, go to Filter Arrow Camera Raw Filter. Inside Camera Raw. Adjust the light settings. Adjust the color settings. Apply effects and fine-tune them. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Now drag this edited image into your main thumbnail file. Step 3. Editing the second subject image. Now open the second subject image. Again, remove the background first. Convert this layer into a smart object. Now go to Filter Arrow Camera Raw Filter. Inside Camera Raw, apply effects and adjust them. Adjust the light settings. Go to Color Mixer and adjust the colors properly. Click OK, then drag this subject into the main thumbnail file. Step 4. Advanced adjustments. Now we will do detailed adjustments. Add hue/saturation adjustment layer. Create a clipping mask with the subject image. Press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. Now take the brush tool and brush over specific areas where you want the effect to appear. Next, add exposure and adjust it slightly. Now add curves, adjust it properly, then press Ctrl plus I again. Start brushing on darker areas to make them more realistic and deeper. Repeat the same curves process for the second subject image. Add curves. Then press Ctrl plus I again. Start brushing on darker areas to make them more realistic and deeper. This step gives your thumbnail a professional cinematic look. Step 5. Adding text. Now we will add text. I'm skipping the detailed text process because it takes time, but adding text is very simple. Just choose a bold font, adjust the size, spacing, and placement properly to make it eye-catching. Step 6. Adding drop shadow and final touch. Now add a drop shadow to the first subject image to create separation from the background. If needed, you can go back and re-edit the camera raw filter for final refinements. Then add a drop shadow to the second subject image as well. Final step, completion. And finally, our thumbnail design is complete. Here is the final result of our thumbnail editing tutorial. If you learned something new from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We will meet in the next tutorial. Stay blessed and keep creating.